single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously.
Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing and quick review of the Echo Dot Generation 3. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is the retail boxing of the Echo Dot, and the box price which is printed over here is 4,500, but you'll get it at around anything between 3,000 to 3,500 depending upon the time which you are buying and if there are some offers. So I got this one for 3,500, and the good thing is this is the third generation Echo Dot, and it has the Alexa, and there are a lot of other features which we will discuss. And I have already made an unboxing and review video of Echo Dot first generation, so if you haven't seen it, so you can just have a look at it and just compare like how things have changed from first generation to third generation. So I'll leave the link in the description for that. So now let's open up this one and let's try to find out what all things we get and how the Echo Dot Generation 3 looks and how it is different from the previous one. So I'll just remove this one, I'll just remove this seal, and then we'll see like what are all the box contents. I'll just open it up. So this one is the Echo Dot third generation, and I must say it is a bit heavy than the previous one. We'll have a look at it in a while. Let's see what are all the other box contents. So we have few of the user manuals inside it, which we don't need as of now because we know how to set it up. And finally we have the power adapter with this one. So if I have to show you the ratings, so this one is 12 volt 1.25 ampere, 15 watt adapter, so which will power this Echo Dot. So let's try to see how it looks. It looks quite great, and Amazon always get full marks on packaging, so no complaints on that. So yes, I must say it is quite good. And this one is the power adapter, and this is the aux input wherein you can connect your other device and use it as a portable speaker. These are the 4 buttons. One is for muting your Echo Dot if at all you have connected it, and if you don't want the Echo Dot to be active, you can just mute it. You can just power on and off by this button, and these are volume up and down buttons. Apart from that, if I power it on here, we also have the watch. So setting it up is quite easy. So for this, if you are setting it up for the first time, so you'll have to download the Alexa app on your iPhone or your Android phone, and once you have downloaded it, you just need to log in through your Amazon account, and then finally it syncs with your Amazon account, and that is all you need to do. So setting up the Alexa is quite simple. And talking about the box content, we just have these 2 things inside the box. So guys, there is this was a quick unboxing of this one. I'll just set it up in a while, and then after using it for some time, maybe I'll make an in-depth review like what are all the changes in this one. And also as you can see, this one has got various apps integration, like you can listen directly from the Sawan app or Amazon Prime Music. Then you can control your house lightings through Philips Hue app, and then we can get score updates through ESPN Cricket. Then we can hear news. You can book cab through Ola app integration. Then you can order food through Zomato and so on. So a lot of other apps integration are there with this third generation Echo Dot, and the sound quality has also been considerably improved from the previous generation. And as they claim that the range has also been improved, and it receives the signals from all the sides. That is something very good. You can keep it at any corner of your room, and you can just give the instruction and get the things done. apart from regular asking like how is the weather and all those stuff. Apart from that, it has also started doing things for you. Like I mentioned, you can book cab through it, or you can order food online. So it would be interesting to see like how things turn up with this one. So this was a just quick unboxing video. Hope you guys liked this one, and I will see you guys in next one. Thanks for watching.